Hey guys, this is Teacher Elo, and I'm here to help you read with me with Story 2 for Advanced. Alright, so how do we practice this video? You have 3 repetitions in the video. First one, you listen and repeat slowly. Second, you listen and repeat faster. And the third time, we read together at the same time. Remember, it's important to practice many times. That way you can improve your pronunciation and understand the words and the flow a little better. Okay, let's start with the first one. Listen and repeat. Sarah still has a headache. Her stomach is rumbling. And she doesn't feel like working. She looks at the caramel iced coffee on her desk. Perhaps she should stop drinking them. Her phone buzzes with a message. From her healthy friend Maya. Be healthy. Sarah tosses the coffee and takes 3 gulps of water. She feels refreshed. She texts back Maya and says, "Will do." Okay, good job. We're going to repeat it again, but a little faster. Sarah still has a headache. Her stomach is rumbling and she doesn't feel like working. She looks at the caramel iced coffee on her desk. Perhaps she should stop drinking them. Her phone buzzes with a message from her healthy friend Maya. Be healthy. Sarah tosses the coffee and takes 3 gulps of water. She feels refreshed. She texts back Maya and says, "Will do." All right, great work. So now we're going to do it one more time. We're going to repeat everything. And before that, just remember, if you want more videos like this, you can subscribe to the Teacher Elo channel. That way you get a new video every week. All right, so let's read together at the same time. Sarah still has a headache. Her stomach is rumbling and she doesn't feel like working. She looks at the caramel iced coffee on her desk. Perhaps she should stop drinking them. Her phone buzzes with a message from her healthy friend Maya. Be healthy. Sarah tosses the coffee and takes 3 gulps of water. She feels refreshed. She texts back Maya and says, "Will do." All right, great. Now we're going to review some words and phrases that you might have some problems with or that are challenging. So the first one is the word rumbling. Rumbling. So this is a sound. It's a low rattling sound. It's usually the sound when your stomach is hungry. Right? So if you're hungry, your stomach starts talking to you, right? Like grrr. That's rumbling. Next one is the word buzz or buzzes. And this is also a sound, and usually it's coming from your phone or electronics. And it's, let's say somebody texts you and your phone has a little bit of vibration, so it moves on your desk, and it's a buzz, buzz, a buzz sound. Next one is the word toss or tosses. And toss is to throw. Not too far, you're just throwing it a few feet away. Here she says she tosses her coffee. That means she throws it away in the trash. Okay, so if you want to throw something in the trash, you can say, "I tossed it," or "I'm going to toss it." We understand it means in the trash, usually. And the last one is gulp. Gulp. This means to swallow quickly in large amounts. So maybe she's very thirsty and she gulps her water. She takes big amounts of water and swallows them. And usually you can hear a little sound because it's so much water going in. All right, I'm glad you understand the story. If you have any questions, you can tell me in the comments. If there's another word you don't understand, just let me know. And I'm glad you practiced with me today. Remember, practice every day and repeat the story frequently. We have a lot of stories for beginning, intermediate, and advanced. So just find one of the videos that you really like, repeat it with a loud and confident voice. It usually helps if you're by yourself, so nobody is listening to you or maybe laughing at you. This way you can really practice your voice. All right, and like always, thank you for your time.